Continuing our discussion on factoring trinomials, let's look at this next question. We need to factor the following trinomial. First step, check for a GCF. There is no GCF among all three terms, so we can start multiplying the outer numbers. Five times 8 will give us 40. At this point, ask yourself, what factors of 40 can you add or subtract to somehow get a negative 14 in the middle? Well, let's just try negative 4, negative 10. Well, negative 4 plus a negative 10 will indeed give us a negative 14. So we have the correct pair of factors. Next step, rewrite the middle term using the negative 4 and negative 10. Write the factors in terms of x. So we have 5x squared minus 4x minus 10x plus 8. At this point, factor by grouping. So we group the first two terms and group the last two terms and take out the GCF from each pair. In the first pair, the only GCF available is x. So we'll take out an x. To find out what's left over, we can divide each term by x. We're left with 5x minus 4. Now the last pair have a 2 in common, but we need to take out a negative 2 because since this leading sign is negative, we need that last sign to be negative as well. So we need to factor out a negative GCF. Take out a negative 2. So we're left with 5x minus 4. If you have the same expression in both parentheses, that is a good sign that you factored correctly. Now we can get our final answer. So we have 5x minus 4 times x minus 2. To check your answer, use any method of multiplication, namely the FOR method, or you could use the distributive property. In the next video, we will continue our discussion on factoring trinomials.